Yellowface? What's happened?
You cannot do something about you.
The island! We need to survive this.
Alright, here we go.
Seen it, count, money, in my dream. Crisscross kill, with a bell in the trunk.
It's
Okay, buddy.
it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay, bye.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yes, I do. I think this Johnny Lock house is seeking the bodies of the shootout. Well, I need to send it out with you guys.
Oh my god, I think got a lock rocks! Oh my god!
Dum dum.
Calm
Down now.
now.
Guys, I
I think
can be right.
Yes.
yes,
Yes, he's getting faster and faster.
faster.
Yes, I think it's faster and faster and faster. Quick, and Becker and Mary run. Run for your life. No space in my spinal.
Does it help?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yes, I do. You just come here, you last seconds I do.
That your
Father? Yes.
Dude, there's a T-Rex is over here like a orange skin and or red scale like a orange and red spikes. So over here in the dinosaurs giant and family here. I can know. That's name is Zilla.
Yes. There's a Mosasaurus among the flies and yellow faces over the island. Maybe check below. Holy shit, I think the T-Rex is coming over here. Maybe we just fight them.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, you! Lead friends along and just fight! Hiya!
You touch my chum, my friend. Hey,